Back in this video, I will guide you how to resize picture with keyboard shortcut. For this, first you need to select the insert, click on the picture and click on this device and select the picture from your computer. Select the picture, click insert to proceed. And here is the magic part. You need to press the Alt key and press J, P, S, Z in sequence to open the size dialog box. And here is the height. You need to click on the size, for example 3, and for the absolute width you need to also click the 3" and uncheck the lock aspect ratio and click OK to proceed, and here it is. So I hope you understand how you can resize picture with keyboard shortcut. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.